Okay, so I showed off the lighting for the Game Boy Color. This one over here, I'll just show you again real quick. The button lighting there, and I did this one first, so I already showed that one. But I wanted to show the lighting I did for the DMG. So let me just turn that on real quick. So there you can see that I did the D-pad and the A and B, and I also was able to do the battery light, which I can do on the Game Boy Color. I just have not done yet on that one. I've done it on others. I haven't done the start and select on this one, just because I didn't have the see-through buttons yet. So I may do that in the future, but I'll just show off the other ones for now. So yeah, in this one I put in UV lights, so they're not going to be nearly as bright as the Game Boy Color ones, because those are just regular white LEDs. And I guess UV just doesn't get as bright for some reason. I don't know the technological reason why, but they just apparently don't get as bright. So yeah, let me open it up and show you the inside and show you what it looks like in there. All right, so I separated the two halves. So there's the front, and I just opened it up like that. And you can already see over here, I have some wires coming around from the other side. You can see there's one LED under this board here, and I'm wiring it up to the same posts that the backlight is connected to. It's just on the other side of this board, and you can already see a resistor there. It's the same 3K ohm resistor that I used in the Game Boy Color. That one's 3K actually. The other ones I'm using are 2K ohm, because I was trying to get it brighter, but it didn't actually make a difference. So 3K and 2K, it was as bright as it was going to get with a 3K ohm resistor. So at least that. If you used a 1K, I don't know if it would be the same brightness, or if you used a 4K, if it would get dimmer. I don't know how that works exactly, but 2 and 3 seem to be exactly the same to me. So just thought I'd point that out. So let me get this board off, and I'll show you what the other side of this looks like. All right, so I have it flipped over, unscrewed, flipped over, and that LED that I was pointing out earlier actually came unglued, so I need to re-glue that. Seemingly the electric tape, just taping them down, actually seems to work a lot better than trying to hot glue it, or maybe I'm just not using enough hot glue. I'll try more hot glue, I guess, but let me take these off here. And you can see on this one I did hot glue it, and I did put a lot more on that one, so that one's actually in there pretty good. Over here I think I hot glued a little bit and I just taped it down, and this one I just hot glued. That's actually, yep, there it goes. Just came right out. So if you're gonna hot glue it, make sure you use a lot of hot glue. Cover like the entire thing like I did with this one. You can see I just completely covered it with it. But yeah, it's a very similar process to the Game Boy Color one, where I just cut out the plastic and stuck an LED down right next to where it needs to go, right, so it can shine through. Did that over here for these as well, and then just taped it down, and then I did wire it in parallel. We're using the same posts, like I was saying, for the backlight. Let's see. I tried doing it in series, but that was just not working. I could not get that to work, even with just 2 LEDs in series. I tried many different resistors, and it just wasn't working. I tried different LEDs too, the non-UV LEDs, because I thought maybe they were weird or something, but I just couldn't get it to work with any LEDs in series. Maybe I'm using the wrong posts for power. If maybe I used a different one that could provide more voltage, that could possibly work. I don't know. This is just my attempt at this. If you know of a way to get it working in series, let me know. But I was not able to get it to work in series. So yeah, just figured I'd mention that. Let's see. I think that's it. So yeah, if you have any questions, just leave a comment, or if you need any help with anything, just let me know, and I will try to help you out. All right, thanks.